Hello, I'm Dr. Randall Shaleen, President of Desert Radiology. We take great pride in supporting volunteers of medicine in Southern Nevada. The decision to become a VMSN community partner was really a simple one. We're quite honored to be part of their cause. Like VMSN, we feel that all lives have immeasurable value, that individuals should have an opportunity for a healthy and productive life. Through our partnership, Desert Radiology takes great pride in improving healthcare in our community. Since its founding in 2010, Volunteers in Medicine has now become a vital, integral part of the medical landscape. In addition to providing services for patients that otherwise would not have access to care, they provide something else, the gift of hope. I also want to point out a great strength of Volunteers in Medicine. That's their ability to inspire. Now, I know that Desert Radiology is a good community partner, but when I go to the VMSN clinics and I can see what Dr. Jameson and their staff are doing, I say to myself, what more could I be doing? They truly set the bar. They lead by example, and they challenge all of us in the medical community to stand up and do our part. Thank you, Volunteers in Medicine. Thank you for all that you do, and know that Desert Radiology will be there with you.
Partnering with Volunteers in Medicine of Southern Nevada enables us to give back to our community. Our goal is to create a healthier world.
I'm Brian Brandman. I'm the Nevada Market Senior Vice President for Dignity Health and for the St. Rose Dominican Health System here in Las Vegas and Henderson area. We have been privileged to be partners with Volunteers in Medicine and Florence Jameson and GARD since probably almost the beginning. Florence is one of those people who I think I would characterize as our local angels. She's always worked very hard to make sure that all of us knew we had an obligation to those in our community that were worse off than ourselves.
Hello, I'm Dr. Matt Trinan. I'm a practicing radiologist with Radiology Associates of Nevada. I'm also the president of the group. For us at Radiology Associates of Nevada, we think that the work Volunteers of Medicine does is very important to the community. As practicing physicians in the community, we're happy to be good stewards of our community and participate with Volunteers of Medicine any way we can, helping to contribute our expertise in radiology to the patients Volunteers of Medicine serves.
Many patients seek their primary care and services at local hospitals, including Sunrise Hospital and Sunrise Children's Hospital. Hundreds of patients each and every day come to our facility without any insurance. We're able to provide them the care that they need, but in order for them to get the continuity of care and the additional services outside the hospital, that's where Volunteers of Medicine plays a huge role. We refer hundreds of patients over to Volunteers in Medicine for the services that they need.
Hello, I'm John Evans, the Nevada Regional Manager for Clinical Pathology Laboratories. CPL is proud to support the services and programs of the Volunteers in Medicine because we share the same passion and commitment to providing quality health care to the people in our community who need it the most. Dr. Jameson has a deep belief that every life has infinite value and that every person deserves a healthy, productive, and happy life. CPL is committed to helping Dr. Jameson any way we can so that she and the volunteers can continue to provide their services and help every Las Vegas resident.
Hi, I'm Doug Thomas of Thomas Dermatology, and we participate in the Volunteers in Medicine program because we care, because we can. And I think those who can should participate, and if you think you can't, you need to think a little harder because we can all find time to help those that are less fortunate than we are.
Volunteers in Medicine, GARD and Florence Jameson, all the hardworking staff, the generous donors and supporters are doing such wonderful things. And we, our family at West Valley Imaging, honestly just feel humbled and honored to be a part of it.
Steimer Diagnostic is proud to be part of the Volunteers in Medicine program. We have provided both medical equipment and diagnostic testing to many of the patients who come into the program. We look forward to continuing to provide both equipment and testing in the future and feel like it is an obligation of physicians to extend care to those who might not otherwise able to provide that care or access that care.
I love the way our community, hospitals and businesses, laboratories and radiologists have stepped up to provide the necessary diagnostic test. I love how our academic institutes have partnered with us to help raise the bar to offer the best possible care to our patients at Volunteers in Medicine of Southern Nevada.